How you doing, everybody? We are here today at Cleevely EV, another local company to Gloucester, working together. Today, Matt from Cleevely EV is going to be fitting our Forge Motorsport Coilover Kit to Nicole's Tesla Model 3. So we're going to film the process of it for you. Hopefully you like the video, and in the future you'll be able to get this coilover kit and any of our other Tesla range from either Forge Motorsport or Cleevely EV. That is it. The install of the suspension has been done on Nicole's Tesla. We've dropped it a fair amount. I want to say a massive thank you to Cleevely EV again for getting involved with carrying out the installation and just working with us in general for all of your EV needs. If you want any of our components, check their website out. Check them out, Cleevely EV. They're just based in Cheltenham, or you can come to forgemotorsport.co.uk, forgemotorsport.com, and we'll have everything listed on our website. Everything you need. Hope you have a good one.